Myself Ankita Tiwari from LG Institute of Engineering and Technology from IT LCD department. I am going to take a session from module 2, that is combinational circuits, from subject digital fundamentals. The topic that we are going to cover in this session is K-maps with don't care conditions and variable entered mapping. So these are the two concepts of K-map itself as a feature. So we are going to have the first session, that is don't care conditions. Before that, we need to know what is a K-map. So K-map are graphical representations of Boolean functions, which is represented by Boolean values 0 and 1, which is represented by two terms, that is mean terms and max terms. So mean terms are represented by sigma, that is small m, and max terms are represented by pi, that is capital M. Now, whenever we are representing K-map, it is a table format which is having a cell. Each cell is represented by a row or a column. So here a row in the truth table represents that in the K-map. So here multiple cell areas are represented in the K-map corresponding to the standard terms. Now that standard terms are represented as mean terms or max terms. So function can be given in any of the form, whether in the form of SOP, that is sum of product, or whether in the form of POS, that is product of sum. Moving forward, we are going to have the first session, that is don't care conditions. Now what do we mean by don't care? Don't care means we are not caring about. What do you mean by not caring about? That means it is given. Now the choice is given to us. If it is useful, then we will use it. If it is not useful, we will ignore it. That means we are not actually given for the use, but if we want and it is being useful, then and only then we will use the value, otherwise we will ignore it. So this is what don't care is. So the don't care conditions allows us to replace the empty cell. Empty cell means nothing is there inside the cell of a K-map to form a grouping of variables which is larger than that of forming groups without don't cares. So if I am talking about don't cares, its value is represented by x, which has the meaning as 0 and 1. So actually we are representing an empty value, empty cell by x, which is a don't care, which can be a 0 or which can be a 1, depending on the situation where the don't care will be used. So while forming groups of cells, we can consider a don't care as 0 or as 1, depending on the situation for the minimization of a Boolean function. Okay, so it depends totally on us whether to ignore it or whether to use it. So a don't care cell can be represented by a cross x, which is represented as value 0 or as a 1. 1 means accepting it, 0 means ignoring it. Okay. Now, for example, suppose I am talking about XS3 code. XS3, we know that adding 3 to the variable and represented that in binary. The states 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 1 are invalid or unspecified, because that cannot be fitted in XS3. Why? 0 cannot be represented in XS3 because it should add a 3 to it. 1 will not be represented. It means that these are the numbers which are not represented in XS3 system. Okay, so these states are called as don't cares. If a situation arises where we can use it, we'll use it. If we are not able to use it, then we'll ignore it. So this is what the situation is, where to use it. Now we'll talk about one question: minimize the following function in SOP minimal form using K-maps. So here function is given in the form of f, which is given as f is equals to m. Small m is given, that means mean terms is given 1, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13 and 14, and don't care value is also given, where you have to think for the combination part. So it is given as 4. So we'll represent it that in the form of K-map itself. We have put it the ones and don't care. We have only having the value only 1, that is x, which is 4. So we will make the pairs for ones. Why we are making pair for ones? Because it is given mean terms. Okay. So we'll make the pair. Now we'll see first of all the 16, but 16 is not possible. We'll reduce 1, 8. No, 8 is also not possible. We'll reduce 1, 4. So we can make the pairs. Okay. So first of all, we'll make the pair of that 1 1 and this 1 1, this x1. Okay, so 4 pair. Now we'll make this for pair of these two. So for these two we can use this x also. So 4 pair. Now how many ones are left? That one and that down one. Okay, so we'll make the pair for that one, above one, and we can make only 2 pair. 4 is not possible. And that one, for that one we don't have any pair combination possible. So we'll get the answer. 4 terms are possible for this one, that one, okay, this one, 2 pair, and this single pair. So we'll get the answer as BC bar plus BD bar plus A bar C bar D plus A B bar C D. So this is what don't care about in SOP form. We'll see the same thing in POS form with another example. So here f of A, B, C, D, 4 variables are taken with the form of question, that is m is equals to 6, 7, 8, 9 plus don't care is given as 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, so here we have represented that m of 6, 7, 8 and 9 with 0 value because it is a POS. Okay, so we have put it 0, 0 and 0, 0. And don't care. Okay, 4 values are given for don't care. Now we'll make the pair. Now for 0, 0, as we can see here, 4 pair is possible, and there also 4 pair is possible. So it is done. So we don't have to make pairs for don't care. You have to keep that in mind always. We don't have to make pairs for don't care. We have to make pairs for SOP terms and POS term, that is either 0 or either 1s, not for X. Okay, X will be useful wherever it is required, where we can use it to make the highest pair. Other than that, it will not be used. We have to ignore it. So this is what don't care concept is. Okay, so we'll get the answer. 2 terms we are getting it. That is A bar plus C dot B bar plus C bar. So its significance, its usage is simplification of the output. Okay, then reduction in the number of gates required. It reduces the number of gates. It reduces power consumptions because we are using it wherever it is required. So it is reducing it. It is not compulsory that you have to use it. Okay. Then represent invalid states in the code converters. It represents means if it is given and we have to use it, then we can use it by don't care. Okay. Then and prevention of hazards in digital circuits, which are many more given as, but we are just representing here many hazards are available in digital system which can be removed. Now variable entered mapping is the another significance or another advantage of K-maps, where we can use it if required. Okay, so here K-map is the best manual technique to solve Boolean equations, because whenever we are applying laws, it makes very tedious task because we have to keep a track of it, where we have reached, where we have to go further, which law to apply it. So it's time consuming also, and it's very error. It can be found include many errors also because we are doing it manually. So here K-map is the best advantage of reducing the Boolean equations, but it's very difficult to manage when the number of variables exceeds to 5 or 6. So it's very useful till 4, but whenever it exceeds to 5 or 6, it is very difficult to manage it in K-map also. So here a technique called variable entered mapping is being used, VEM, which is used to increase the effective size of K-map. Okay, so it allows a smaller map to handle large number of variables, and which is done by writing output in terms of input itself. Okay, so variable entered mapping is basically used as an example. As we can see here, we'll take one example. We'll see very less number of variables. So here I have represented 3 variables. But if I want to represent that 3 variable using 2 variable K-map, then we can do it. How? So I have taken an example of f is equals to ABC. It is given 1, 0, 1, 2 and 5. Okay, so that is represented in the form of table itself here. Normal table, function table. So A, B, C, f is 1, that means f 0, 1, 2 and 5. So at 0, 1, 2 and 5 values, that values are keep it as 1 and other values are taken as 0. Now whenever we are going to reduce it, means this is 3 variable. Now I am going to reduce 1 variable from it and will use 2 variable K-map to reduce it. Okay, how? So as you can see, A, B, we have taken 2, C I have discarded. So C will be taken into the function itself as a value. So here f is equals to 1, C bar C and 0. How we got it? We'll use C as 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So we'll use for if AB is 0, 0. So what is the value of f? It is f in it. Okay. As we can see in 0, 0, 0, 0 for AB value, C is 0, 1, but f is 1. So C is changing as 0 and 1, so it is discarded. But F is 1, so we'll get output as F is equals to 1. Just keep the track of it what I am saying, okay? Now we'll go for 0, 1 value in the table itself, okay? We'll see here 0, 1, 0, 1, okay? That time, what is the value of C? 0, 1. And what is the value of F? That is 1, 0. As you can see, just see here. Okay, that means that 0, 1, 0, 1 value, if we can see that this C value is represented as bar, because F is also changing. So we'll see as C as bar. So C bar we will take it in the table. Now we'll see for 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, 1, 0. It is taken as 0, 1, 0, 1. So which is 1? F is 1 and C is also 1. So it is taken as C. Because F is also 1 and C is also taken that time. So C here it has been taken as C bar. So here it will be taken as 1, that is C. And the last value 1, 1, 1, 1. So at that time F value is 0, 0. That means we have taken as 0. Now we'll put that in K-map. That is 1, C, C bar and 0. So we'll see, you can see that if we are reducing it, we'll make a pair. Now how we will make the pair? Just see here. 1 is here and C, and here is C bar. Okay, well we have to make the pairs of every non-value which is given. Okay, that means 1 or the variable if it is given. So I have to make the pair for C bar also and C also. So here 1 can be taken as C plus C bar. So this one is taken as C plus C bar, and we'll make the pair of C bar and CC horizontally and here as a vertically. So we'll get the answer as A bar C bar, okay, vertically, and B bar C as horizontally. If you will compare it with my wordings with the K-map, you will get the answer. Okay, try once more. Whenever the session will end, just try once more. A bar C bar plus B bar C. You take the question and you'll get the answer. Okay, so what are the advantages of BEM? As we can say, a BEM can be used to plot more than n variable because it is used for more than 4 variable K-maps using n variable K-map. It is commonly used to solve problems including multiplexers. And so here the concepts of K-map with the two characteristics, that is don't care conditions and BEM, we have done this much in this session. Thank you.